I'm doing the New Zealand Certificate in Health and Wellbeing because I've always wanted to work with people, and that's just my passion in life. I want to focus on youth though because I want them to know just because they've had a hard start in life doesn't mean that their whole life has to be hard.
Throughout my whole life I've been a people's person, and before this I was actually a builder and trades weren't cutting it for me. The whole of term one I learnt so much, like self-awareness, relationships, self-culture, the treaty, and I'm actually loving it.
Class as a whole has just been awesome. Like the tutors and the people that do this course are just so genuine, and I've learnt so much about myself and I've gained so much more confidence. It's just helping me realise that this is definitely the career that I want to take.
We believe that this program is unique. It's a really awesome hands-on opportunity. People go out and do a community project in term 2, and then at the end of the year you have a 130-hour placement. Lots of our students end up being offered employment at the end of that. So it's a wonderful opportunity to find out what's available, what's in the community, what do you enjoy doing, and probably end up with a job at the end.
My highlight of the Health and Wellbeing program definitely has to be my work placement. I was at Pukatai, which is a care and protection residence working with youth. I love working with youth and kids. I just find it so rewarding. When the kids started to open up to you and tell you their stories, you know that you're really making a difference and getting connection when they do open up to you like that. And I just absolutely love the experience that I got out of it. I do think my time at Otago Polytechnic has prepared me for a job in support work because it's given me a great skill and knowledge base to start my career on, and I'm ready and confident to go out to work now.
One of my highlights for the Health and Wellbeing program was definitely working with Foster Hope. It's an organisation that basically makes essential backpacks for foster kids going into foster homes. We wanted to add more feel-good items into the backpacks, such as board games and rugby balls, like little things that kids should love, and that was special to me because doing something for the community and enjoying it while we were doing it. I would definitely recommend the Health and Wellbeing program to future students. The actual structure of the whole year is based out really nicely. It's very visual and hands-on learning, which was great for myself. I would absolutely recommend it to anyone. It was great.